I know, I promised you retirement, but we're just gonna have some fun. We're not gonna break 100, I promise. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here's our old friend, the speedrunning Vendetta. I made this car a promise that when it broke 100, I would retire it and not use it again, but I found a place here at the end of the park that I think is perfect. Well, about as perfect as you can get for speed running. Not a lot on the side of the roads, no reflectors, so you know, if we do go off the road, there's no mailboxes, there is that one post right there, so I think I'm going to run this way, and unless I get way down there with some trees or something, we should be okay. I'm not going to try to break 100. We only got 4S in here. Oh, I need to set this up for the right car. Car number 1. So this car is pretty much stock, as you can see, except for I got the Hoons tires. We got a 6S ESC, which is what I think 150 amp, maybe 140. I can't remember. But other than that, everything's stock. We had the speed gear in here. I did some fuel tubing on the shocks to keep it from bottoming out and launching the car. But other than that, it is stock motor. So just upgrade the ESC. So that's it. Follow the Earl Moorhead build. Man, this poor car. It's seen better days. I do like these 3D printed pieces. Now that guy, he made pieces that went here. They shattered so instantly. So wow, that was a very short-lived friggin' side skirt. That's why I promote Garage Life RC, because I've tested his stuff and it works pretty good. So there we go, we got a speed. So I'm just gonna make a few runs up and down the road. I'm not gonna like stop it and check each time. We'll just see what the grand high speed is. Woo! Yeah, she's still, even on 4S, is one to overpower that back end. Let's just do a nice easy run here. I notice like the steering's a little bit, it's pulling a little bit. And I don't know why. I don't know why it's pulling. Let's see. See, it's wanting to go off that way. Ooh. Hope I didn't get stuck. Oh, good. Bam. I got no idea where it went. Huh, there she is. Just looks like it's stuck in some dirt. No. Man, even on 4, and I don't get it. I got exponential tuned into the throttle. It shouldn't be, but man, as soon as you go full on, man, just snapping that back end around. Something's going on when I hit revert, it's just turning. I got that gyro up too much. No, I only had it at 30. Ooh. That seemed a bit better. Although I'm braking, it seems to go that other way. Some reason. Whoa! Hell yeah. I mean, that was pretty solid. That was solid. The only problem with this road is that you still got some of the shadows from the trees. It's not ideal when you speed run, because you kind of lose the car. Oh, see, I hit reverse and it just lost it and went spinning off. I don't even know where it's at. It sure does help when you don't lose a battery and you can hear it. So, you know, I've always wanted like a limitless, and I kind of gave up on it after having this because there was no place to run one. But I don't know. Oh. Just try to warm up the tires a little bit. Let's try one more run. Let's see, just smooth going here, and try to keep it on the road. That was not full throttle. See, look, as soon as I go to hit the brakes, it's going freaking crazy, man. And now I don't know where the car's at. Okay. Really need like lights on this thing, so that way I could tell if it's coming at me or away from me. Alright, not full throttle either. See if we can turn this around. It's hard to see in the shadows what's going on there. That motor's at 152, so, or ESC, so the motor's probably not far behind. Oh yeah, it's full. Oh, damn, I can't see it. All right, I'm gonna call that a wrap, man. We'll see what kind of speed we got. I can't see it at all. Oh, there it is. Woo! See, that's why a limitless would be nicer, because it's bigger, you can follow it. See, it's pulling when you brake. Well, I think that... No, I thought the battery had it, but obviously not. I wonder if I turn up. If I put ABC at 40%, let's see if it'll... Hell no, it seems to make it worse. It really does. Wow. Yeah, we need to back that down. Alright, now here's the thing with this GPS thing. It's not the most dependable thing in the world. Huh? It's connected still. 77. You know, I'll take it. I will take it. Well, I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of hot. ESC's got some pretty good temp. It's 90 degrees out too, so. But I want you guys look at this bill. ESC's right here. We got fan, motor, battery. I had somebody comment that it looks like a child threw this together and they would never follow me. It looks like a child put this together. I'm like, I don't know what you're seeing that looks childish, but oh man, the stuff you got to deal with when you do YouTube. Oh, I also had the hot racing metal dry shaft in here because that plastic one, nah, it's not gonna withstand the speeds that you can get. So there you have it, man. This is on a Ovonic 4S. We got our RC Guy garage GPS holder here. Here we go. Ovonic 7200 130C. I don't know, I've gotten faster. I know I've gone 80 or so on a 4S, and I think it was the Gens Ace. So I think this might be just a little overrated. I don't know. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching the Vendetta come out of retirement for a quick run. I just wanted to test this road and see what it was like for speed running, and this is my only speed car, so I wanted to see. So I don't know. Maybe we'll get something else to speed run. Maybe we will. I don't know. Sure if this road here is long enough to support 100. Don't know. Maybe we'll try. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, watching this beauty run. It's just such a shame they canceled this car. I think they saw how fast everybody's getting these and it was killing the Limitless sales, maybe. I don't know. But there you have it, the Vendetta. Thank you for the support. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.